Hello everyone, this is Matteo. Now I welcome you in my RC garage to show you more details of the Vanquish VS4-10 Phoenix. First, let's take a look at the body. What I really like is the interior. This is included in the kit: dashboard, steering wheel and seats. Only the driver figure is not included. As usual, I used the 4x4 vehicle driver figure from Tamiya. It fits very well. The front and cabin is made of one piece of polycarbonate. At the rear there is a hard plastic tube cage. And these panels are also made of polycarbonate. These panels can also be removed to have only the cage at the rear. The front grille is also made of hard plastic. The LED light buckets are made for 10mm LEDs. I installed the LED light kit from Incision. This is specially designed for Vanquish trucks and fits directly. As you can see, no body pins are visible from the outside. On the back, the body is held from below with 2 pins. And in front is a pin that fixes this bolt that holds the body. I painted the inside of the body black. And this is the lightning kit from Incision. The front lights can be connected directly to the balancer connector of a 3S LiPo. And the rear lights are powered by this wire, which needs to be connected to the receiver. If you have a channel free, you can also control the lights from the transmitter. Now let's check the chassis. This is the steering servo. And these 2 servos are for the gearbox functions. This is for the dig function and this one for the overdrive selection. This is the gearbox and below is the motor installed. And this is the battery compartment. Here you can see the 4-link suspension. The links are made of metal and very solid. Up front there is a 3-link suspension with panhard bar. And here you can see the steering linkage. The truck is equipped with portal axles. This gearbox here allows more ground clearance in the middle. The oil shocks work very well. They are a bit short, but that helps keep the center of gravity down. The tires are a bit narrow in my opinion. The foam inserts are also a bit hard, but I must say they don't work badly at all. The rims are beadlocks with nice wheel hubs. Now I install a battery and turn it on. Steering works. As you can see, it now only has rear-wheel drive. This is because the servo is in the middle position. Now I switch it to the left position and now the truck has 4-wheel drive with 6.5% overdrive on the front wheels. Next I switch it to the left position. And now the truck has an overdrive of 33%. This button on my radio is used to select the dig function. This means the rear wheels are locked and only the front wheels are driven. Here I can show you the difference between the 2 overdrive ratios. First, this is the 6.5% overdrive. Now I switch to the 33% overdrive, and as you can see, that's a lot of overdrive. Now let's put the body back in place and get back on the track. I must say I'm really impressed with this Phoenix. The body at the level of detail is exceptional. Especially the interior is super awesome. I just love it. But the chassis is also absolutely superb. I like the transmission functions like selectable overdrive or the dig function. The option to switch to two-wheel drive is also great, so battery life can be extended on flat terrain. And most of all, these functions work very well, as long as you have the endpoints of the servos set correctly. The design and the materials used are very good. The result is excellent performance in rough terrain. I would recommend this truck to anyone who is looking for a true scale crawler and wants to own something special. Now I say thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time.